Hello and welcome to this video. In this video today I will be discussing about SY-SUBRC in ABAP coding. First let me tell you the definition why we need SY-SUBRC in ABAP coding. SY-SUBRC is used as a condition in ABAP coding, and this is the one of the very most useful case that we use. And first let me start with this SY-SUBRC has few return codes that is called 0, 4 or 8. If SY-SUBRC is 0, it means the condition is successfully read. If SY-SUBRC is 4, it means the condition is successfully read. It means the code is fine, but the data, there shouldn't be no data if the condition is read. After that, if SY-SUBRC is 8, it means there is any fault in the variable or there is any fault in the code itself. So mostly we use SY-SUBRC in the if condition. And if I give you an example here, I wrote one example here. Suppose I'm doing a loop at the source package, loop at source package, assigning source field. Now read table, suppose one table ABC with key material and source package material. It means it will verify the material with this table and the material with source package, this table. Now if it matches, now it will read the data, and if it picks any data, then in the next step it will come as if SY-SUBRC is 0. It means if this condition takes any data, then if it is found any entry, then in the source field there should be a field called price. So for that entry, for the material entry, it will put 100. Then end if and end loop. And so in that case, suppose in this read table, if there is no match is there, it means that in that case the SY-SUBRC will be 4, because 4 means it will read but it will not find any data. So in that case SY-SUBRC will be 4. But I wrote the condition like if SY-SUBRC is equal to 0, then price will be 100. So it means if any record is found in this condition, then the price from this field, from this source package, that particular record will be 100. So I hope you liked this video, and it is very easy to understand. Thanks for watching the video.